Invisible Skin Demon Texture Bug Fix. 1. Restart Warzone. Completely close Warzone in the launcher. Restart your PC. Launch Warzone again and check the affected operator or weapon. 2. Update Warzone. Check for available Warzone updates. Install the latest game files. Restart the launcher after the update finishes. 3. Verify game files. Open your game launcher. Find Warzone settings/properties. Use the available scan and repair or verify files option. Relaunch the game after the repair completes. Measure number 4. Clear the shader cache. Close Warzone and your launcher. Clear the GPU shader cache through Windows or your graphics driver software. Restart the PC. Allow Warzone to rebuild its shaders. Number 5. Let shader compilation finish. Start Warzone and allow shader compilation to complete. Avoid entering a match while shaders are still compiling. Restart the game afterward if textures remain corrupted. Number 6. Reset texture settings. Open Warzone's graphics settings. Temporarily lower texture resolution. Disable optional high-resolution texture features. Restart the game and check the affected skin. Number 7. Disable texture streaming features. Temporarily disable optional on-demand texture streaming features if available. Restart Warzone. Test the operator or weapon again. Number 8. Update your GPU driver. Install the latest compatible NVIDIA AMD or Intel graphics driver. Restart Windows after installation. Launch Warzone and rebuild the shader cache if prompted. Number 9. Remove conflicting overlays. Temporarily disable unnecessary overlays and recording tools. Close GPU monitoring or graphics tweaking utilities. Launch Warzone without these applications running. 10. Reinstall the affected content. If the problem affects only one operator or texture pack, check the game's installed content. Remove and reinstall the affected optional content where the launcher allows it. If the issue continues, report the specific skin texture bug through the game's official support channels.